And then we're going to unravel our new Scruff-A-Love. First, you have to get it unboxed. Hi. Oh. Here's more of our so we're just getting ready to open it. Okay, we got it out. For now, it's a ball, actually. Put it in there. And then we wash it until it gets to the high spot. It's unraveling. I can't open yet.
Hello. Can't wait to see what it looks like.
It was a kitty. Okay.
It looks kind of silly.
It's because its ears haven't come out. There we go. So, this is what it looks like once it's wet. Well, we're going to dry it though.
We need something that has wind
to dry it. You know how cute it is, guys.
There they are, guys.
So now it's kind of free. It's just very wet. It's now very scruffy. We have to make it fluffy.
Scruff-A-Leafy.
Guys, do you know how to make it fluffy?
Oh, I know. When?
So, we'll have to get a hair dryer. It still feels a little wet.
Dry.
Baby kitty.
Oh, this is such an adorable little creature.
Oh, look at this type of paw. It's a heart.
Oh, a heart with an S in the middle for Scruffy.
Maybe. Look, she had the blue ball. If it was a boy, then it would be a bow tie. If I had one, I could be very smart how to do it. Did you remember the time that the birds pooped on our car?
Yes, okay. I remember the time the birds pooped on our car.
And did you remember the second time?
I remember all the times. What is it that we have to do when we reach the crosswalk?
Look both ways.
Do we keep walking and look both ways?
No.
No, so what do we have to do
Stop
first?
and look in both ways.
We stop and look in both ways. Got it.
And also, we double check.
Stop. Look to the left.
Wait, the car is coming.
Right. But they stopped. Is it safe? Let's go.
Okay.
Reminds me of a wolf. It's kind of nice.
That was super.
Right.
And I like the one with pink eyes.
Go ahead. Go. You can go. You feel okay?
Yes. Can I help you edit it?
You want to help me edit? Sure. Don't touch the mic. You can't touch the mic. Okay, I think you're good to go. How do you feel?
Better.
Okay. Oh, there goes the coffee.
Before I could get up, I started coughing.
I know, that's so crazy. It really would. But I don't think I can make it invisible. I don't have that kind of software. Are you Superman? Oh, you doing fancy tricks?
It's like I'm making a shield.
I want to try out ninja tricks.
You want to try out with ninja tricks?
Can you make the effects of it?
I can do my best.
I show my friend all of my cool tricks.
What I said about brain breaks, I decided we should make our own.
Are you going to make... Oh, yeah, I do remember that. That's something we would have to edit in front of a green screen.
And we'll have to make it look like...
Are you ready? Oh. It's a little lopsided because I'm a little heavier than Malachi.
Take it off.
And they might fall off. Did you duck? Did you duck? Why? As I fell off. Good job. And oh my god. We have to work together to survive on an island. Let's see if we can get back to the area. To see if a new plane is coming to pick us up with no problem. Look, this is
I think we might need to tie your shoe up quicker. That's how you want me to do that? And you didn't run away, right?
I came off, I did. Just shoo it away. Attach some bug spray and pretend it. And just like this adventure with you.
you make it.
If you find our comments, make sure to like it and subscribe.
Do what the kid said. You want to say anything?
And if you press the notification, well, you can become a member.
Bye.